Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. Compilation video, I think there's 2 patients in this one. So we can see this first patient has quite a large chunk of wax sitting in the ear canal, not too deep in, only about 1/3 of the way into the canal. So we're just going to use the standard size ulnar tube here, so a little bit of microsuction. And what I'm going to do first is try and unstick this. We always try and get these pieces out if we can in one piece. It isn't always possible, we always try. So the first thing we do is try and unstick it from the canal walls. As you can see, it's just starting to lift there from the canal wall itself. Now when you unstick it, sometimes you'll get a really good bit of movement then to the wax itself. So with a bit of a wiggle, there you go, you can just start to see it, the whole thing moving forwards. Just trying to get a better grip. And use the Jobson now just to get behind it, because we've got it moving. So if it's possible to get it all out in one go. There we are. See quite a big chunk of wax there. And there's the eardrum, so all came out in one big piece. This is the same patient but the second ear now. Much wetter wax around the outside edge. So we're just, same as on the other ear, just unpeeling the edges first before we start working on this central section of wax. There we are, you can see we've got a bit of movement to this. Just unsticking and trying to wiggle this wax up and down. Bits just keep breaking away on there at the moment. Now we can't bring this out straight because it's too long, so we're trying to bring it out and turn it to the left at the same time, which should allow us to get the whole piece out then. There we are. You can see some white dead skin underneath there. And there's the eardrum. There's a little bit of wax around the entrance here and also at the top of the drum as well. Now the reason I want to clear the top of the eardrum, especially above the hammer bone, which is the red and beige line you can see just sloping off to the left hand side, is sometimes you can get little what they call retraction pockets in that area. So I just want to give this a bit of a clean just to see what's going on underneath it. If it was anywhere else on the eardrum, then I probably would have just left it there, but I just want to make sure there's no retraction pocket or anything under here. So just take a bit of this wax away, but it's looking good. Yeah, there's no retraction pocket there. So while we're in, we'll just take a little bit off the right side as well. There we are. So this is what we removed. So you can see quite large plugs there and some very white dead skin. So about 1 inch altogether. So this is our second patient. Very similar story, quite a large blockage of earwax in here. Looks very wet, so this patient's been using a little bit of olive oil to soften this up. There we are, I've got a grip. You can see it just starting to move forwards. Sometimes the entrance to the canal can be a little bit narrower than the canal itself, so as you bring the wax forwards, as what's happened here, the wax gets jammed, gets stuck in the entrance to the canal. So by wiggling up and down, it helps to loosen it and break bits off, and that will sometimes make it small enough to be able to work it out to the canal. So you can see lots of little pieces breaking away. Looking for any part of the wax where we can get a good grip to help maneuver this out. There we are, so just working this out. Sticking with the standard size ulnar tube, slowly maneuvering this piece of wax out of the canal now. So we're just bringing it down from the top, just trying to roll the wax to find a better, more secure grip. As you can see, though, pieces are just starting to break away from it. So every piece that comes away is going to make this block of wax a little bit smaller, makes it a little bit easier to get out. Just trying to stretch the side of the canal there. Just, there we go. So there it is. Little blob of wax to the right side of the canal entrance. We'll just get rid of that. There it goes. And there's the eardrum. So this is what we removed. You can see some quite dry pieces of wax in there. And that's what we removed in inches. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already and you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.